So if you know me, you know that I've worn glasses since I was 3 years old. Here are a few pictures. And I love my glasses. But I've always had transitions as well. And I love my transition glasses. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. And so I get transition glasses in every single pair of glasses that I get, including these ones that I have on right now that I've had for a few years now. They're from I Buy Direct online. They're rainbow. They're like in big nerd, like oval shape. I really like them. They're really cute. And I love rainbow. So I thought that these were really, really cute when I saw them. So I knew I had to have them. But even though I love them, I figured that I needed something different because I like to change up my style sometimes. And rainbow doesn't always go with every single thing that I own or love to wear, until I found this company called Pair Eyewear. They have a base frame that you can get, and then you get these things called toppers. You just put them right on top of your glasses because they have magnets right at the corners. Let me show you. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but this is the Pair box. This is what you get inside the box. So these are all the toppers, and then you have your actual glasses in this glasses case. And then it comes with a little bit of paperwork telling you about Pair. And the top of the box says, "Welcome to the Pair family." So it comes with this really nice leather case. And it's magnetic. So it just snaps right on down. You get a nice cleaning cloth. And then they put a few toppers in here. So this is the red pair. And then you get your top frames. So I got mine in clear. They're the Larkin frames. They come in clear, black, blue tortoise, regular tortoise shell, and a light pink color. But like I said, these are the clear Larkins. So let's see how they look on me. They fit so nice, and I can see crystal clear. I love the way that these look. But that's not the coolest part. Like I said before, they came with top frames. So the glasses have magnets right here, and the toppers have magnets right there. So, since these are the red pair, if I want to wear red one day, boom. Now I have red glasses. And they come off just like this. So you just take them and pull them right off. Some of my other toppers are in this box. So I got a white pair. I got a black sparkly pair. I got green camo. I got black and white. I got blue ombre. Black marble. I got slate dip dye. I got silver sparkle. I got ruby sparkle. I got navy. I got the rainbow gradient. Champagne sparkle. Blue sparkle. I got indigo. I got black. I got the gray metal. I think it's called nickel, but I really, really like it. It's so pretty and shiny. I got the iridescent, which is extremely reflective and extremely shiny. I love these ones. I got white. I got peacock. I got galaxy. And the best part is, say it's sunny outside and you don't have sunglasses because you wear glasses. They have a fix for it. I got sunglass toppers. These are black. I got silver sparkle. I got peacock. And I got white. And if you don't like the white color of the sunglasses, but you like the sunglasses, put on the sunglass toppers and then put on another one of the toppers on top of it. Oh. And look at that. And it's really not too thick. So. And I got a few eyeglass cases. So this one is nice and leather, so you can keep 2 toppers in here. So you just push them down, and you can keep your sunglass toppers nice and safe. I got 2. Very nice leather too. And I know you're thinking, where can I store all my Pair Eyewear top frames? Well, I don't have it, but they sell a wall hanger that's magnetic that you can put your toppers on to keep them safe. But I bought an IKEA desk, and let me show you where I'm going to keep my toppers. Some people like to keep them on their fridge, but I'm gonna keep them on my desk, and here's how. So this is how I'm going to store my glasses. And yes, you can see my little magnetic Minnie Mouse up there. But this is how I'm going to store my glasses. And my top frames. So that way, whatever top frames I want to grab that day, I can. If I want to be red today, I can be red. If I want to be white, I can be white. If I'm feeling a pop of color, I can be iridescent. If I want to be blue and indigo, there we go. And yes, I did stack these on top of each other. They're able to be stacked as well. How awesome is this? I cannot wait to change up my glasses whenever I feel like it, whenever I have an outfit. I'm so excited for these. And the sunglasses, you cannot beat sunglasses. So the base frame for Pair Eyewear starts at $60 with your prescription included, and you can add blue light glasses or transitions or progressive lenses for an added fee. Each topper is $25 and sunglass toppers are $30. But it's going to be so fun changing my outfit according to my glasses toppers. I'm very, very excited for this. I cannot wait. So thank you so much, Pair Eyewear. I love them. So happy to be a part of the Pair family.